Double quick time.
Well, it's a goal fest, and the fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary.
He's got the shot away. He scores. Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
It's a mass exodus now. Certain sections of the stadium are leaving in droves, and you can't blame them.
2 goals on the day, and he may not yet be done.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entity.
Alvarez! Well, now it's a race for the ball. Oh, it's fallen loose again! It's in! And he celebrates his 30th goal.
Look, all they want to hear right now is the final whistle. They've been humiliated.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat. Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
And we have our very first corner. Messi goes short. Can he put it away? Oh, the ball's run loose here. Oh, shooting chance! It's gone in! He's put through his own net!
Well, that's really unfortunate. He'll be kicking himself at the moment, and believe me, I know how that feels.
Fortuitous as it may have been, they all count 1.
There will be 3 minutes at a time.
It was a chance, but meat and drink for the keeper.
Yeah, it seemed the right range, and I guess it was worth a try.
Alvarez! Brought out the best in the keeper.
Another example of how comfortable this team is on the break.
And this could be the final action of the first half. That is going to be the final action of the first half. Who would have seen this? By any yardstick, it is pretty much ideal for them.
Yeah, I think the first half performance that showed attack being the best form of defence. If they're in the face of the opposition that much, then there's little they can do in return. And I'm not sure how long they can keep the intensity and the tempo up, but it certainly paid off so far.
And we are back on the way. Changes made by neither side, from what we understand. Now it's Chukwueze. Messi. Oh, that's ambitious. Oh, he really got hold of that.
No, it's a fair attempt. I think he felt he could line one up there. The odds were never really in his favour.
Oh no, what has happened here? Big chance! And it adds further to a heavily one-sided scoreline. This is getting punishing.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
And Messi! Oh, that is outstanding! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. And it is becoming almost too painful to watch. Where to next?
Yeah, it has become ugly for one, but the other is...
Messi! Oh, glorious! That is a special one! That is a gem! An absolute gem! And this is getting ridiculous. Borderline crazy.
Well, it's a goal fest, and the fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary. And things are much healthier in their favour. Mind you, you would have thought that when the last one went in.
Oh no, it's an own goal!